Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to upgrade the SSD for this POS, and you can see the model number Adler Hertz Lite 6000S. This is the model number, and here you will find a stand for holding this display. This is the stand. It will be fixed like this. I have removed the screws, 4 screws. It will be available there. After removing the 4 screws, you can think that you can remove this cover and just fix that, but some of the POS, the hard disk is coming in the top side or in the other side like that. Before that, they provided that internet jack and 2.0 USB 4 port, 5 port, and one 3.0, and that's COM1, COM2, COM3, that for a display out. And here also one they provided, and here's the power socket. So now we are going to upgrade this. At present have 128, we are going to upgrade to 512 SSD. Let us see how we can upgrade. For that, they provided here one screw also. We have to remove this screw and slowly remove from this side slowly, because we must not give more pressure on that, display will get damaged. And after that, you can just remove it like this, and the display connection will be there, and the things which is inside I will show you. These are the things which is inside, and this is a 128 memory and CMOS battery, and the RAM they provided, and the connection is from this is the cable which is connection coming to the display. And we are going to fix the hard disk over here. 512, we are going to fix it over here. Let us see how just removing. There's nothing to, there is not a big thing, just remove that hard disk, and this is the SATA type. You can see the connector. So we are going to fix it over here. Let us see. This is the hard disk 512. It's an SSD CX2. We are going to fix it, this one inside. For that, you have to hold it like that. Let me fix it. You can see we have fixed this SSD. After that, we are going to install the operating system, and before that, just you can stick some sticker or something on the back side, because it must not remove. They didn't provide any screws or nothing lock over there to lock this hard disk. So better you can provide a sticker here and the downside also to hold the SSD inside. After that, we are going to close this one and installing the operating system. This is how to upgrade SSD for the model Adler Hertz Lite 6000S. This is very simple. Those who find very slow in the shops while they enter their for building sections, they are using this POS now. If you find anybody slow, you can just upgrade it and install the operating system and install the software. This is the things how to upgrade the SSD. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe and support. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.